part of our program on early childhood?
I run a women's resource centre based in the Kimberley in Fitzroy Crossing. It's Wenitong Women's Resource Centre, and we operate one of the 38 early childhood learning centres, which when established had a child and family centre attached to it as well. But now we operate a child and parent centre and an early childhood learning centre, and this is at risk of closure next year.
Why is it risk of closure?
It's being impacted negatively by the new families package, and this is going the child and family package that's coming through Parliament this month, federal Parliament, and it will have a devastating impact on these services.
When these things happen, because we're at the bottom of the pile, so kind of these major policy shifts happen, and maybe the policy's okay, but they don't understand that the implementation of policy, it comes down to us being contestable against other NGOs and people who've got whiz-bang business plans and corporates and everything else, but your local Aboriginal controlled services are the ones that really make a difference, the only ones that have resonance. And look, from a primary healthcare perspective and an adult chronic disease and everything else, the bang for buck is in early childhood. We all know that.
Yep.
There's so much evidence about this. There's a lot of biomedical research about this as well. So, it just is, it's completely incoherent from a policy perspective to be thinking of closing these kinds of centres down. They're the only ones that work. Yep. They're the ones that work best for our mob. And if we want generational change, that's where we've got to start.
It means for us the whole of service delivery, whether you're a nurse, a doctor, a teacher, you're an Aboriginal parent, you're a non-Aboriginal parent, when in regional and remote areas you rely on childcare support, and everyone will be affected right across the community. So this is not just limited to Aboriginal children accessing early years education, which is an absolute human right in this country. It will affect service delivery across the board for places like Fitzroy Crossing, where the nearest or the next childcare service is 260 kilometres away.